Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Whoop. So today I have this, but actually, before I say anything else, the light is gonna get better. It's just now that I'm filming my intro, it's a bit dark outside, so it's getting dark outside. That's why the video looks dark. Wait, it's not gonna be dark, okay? When you're watching it, it's gonna be fine. Back to the intro. Today, what do we have? We have, I'm trying to see the mirror, that's why I'm just like, Okay, I have this smoky, greeny something going on. I'm not sure what it is or what I'm gonna call it, but it's just very fun, blown out, and I'm just living for it. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching, and I'll see you in 2 seconds. Alright, so my eyes are primed and ready for eyeshadow, and I have used my NYX Jumbo pencil in milk and my Dipbrow concealer in fawn or toffee. All those, yeah, on my nose bridge. So now I'm gonna go in for the exciting part, eyeshadow. Okay, so we are gonna be using the Morphe 35B palette for today, and I am gonna go in with this purple but on the pink side shade first, and I'll put it right in my crease, and I'll just press that onto the eyes. I'm gonna bring that just like almost to my inner corner, but not quite in my inner corners, because sometimes it makes it harder to blend if you put it all the way to your inner corners. Alright, I'll go back in that with that product again, but I just want to put something else down before we start blending. So I'm gonna put this bright yellow eyeshadow right here. I'll put it right on top of it, and I'll put it right around the edge of that and blend it all the way to my brow bone. Now this yellow, I'll bring it all the way into my inner corners like so. Okay, and then I'm gonna go with my purple and build that up. And I'm blend that lightly into the yellow, so you see it makes it a lot easier to blend it with that yellow behind it. So I'm just blending those two shades together, just using pink, why did I say pink so damn much? Just using the purple and the yellow to build it up how I like it. Alright, now that I have those two blended together, I'm gonna go with this light blue shade right there, and I'll put that in the outer corner and all the way in my crease to the inner corner. Now that I have that light blue pattern, I'm gonna go in with the first shade, which was the purple, and I'll go right over the edge of this to blend it out. And I'm going to mix a little bit of this black into the light blue shade that I was using, and just put it in the outer corner just to make it really dark around that area. Start off very small, very small. See, let's feather it in here, and then you can build it up. And I'll also bring that into the crease once I feel like I don't have too much product on the brush. Okay, so I don't know why this looks really patchy slightly, but it is actually really blended. Let me just zoom you guys in, but on camera somehow it doesn't show the full extent of the blend, but hey, it's fine. I'm happy with it. Okay, so I'm gonna take my eye magic, what is it called, flash palette. Yeah, eye magic flash palette, and I'm gonna use this black shade right there, and I'll put that all over my eyelid as a base for my next shadow. Alright, so for my lid I'm gonna use this pigment, which is the Makeup Addiction pigment in Ex-Boyfriend. I'll show you what it looks like. It's a dual cream. It's brown and it has blue reflect to it. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. And I'll put that all over the lids. It's a very interesting color, so I want to see how it looks. And I'll just press that all over my lid. Oh, that is gorgeous. You could put a glitter glue on this to make it even more vibrant. I'm not really bothered about that. Actually, I'll put a bit of glue on that because my eye base is already set, so it's not sticking onto it as well as it should. Before I go any further, before I add the glitter glue to make the lid color more pigmented, I'm gonna go with a little bit of the black shade and a little bit of the blue one just to blend it out. I don't want any kind of line that, you know, defines it. Just want it to very much blown out, no cut crease type of look, you know. So I am gonna put a little bit of the NYX glitter glue on the back of my hands and just apply just a little bit of that on my eyelids because I want the pigment to be a bit more vibrant than it is right now. So I'll do that real quick. Now that I'm gonna put this pigment, which is the Makeup Addiction pigment in Bare Green, and I'll put that right. Actually, it's a glitter pigment. Also has a green reflect. Green? Yep. It has a green blue reflect, just like the one I have on my lid, and I'm just gonna put that in the center. I'm not gonna use a glitter glue, and I'm just gonna put that a little bit on my fingers and just tap that there. Okay, so I'm gonna do my lower lashes and I'm gonna do everything that I put on my crease. I'm gonna put it on my lash line as well, smoke it out, and we'll be good to go. I'm gonna use the Dipbrow and put that in my waterline just to give it a little pop of color. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of Bare Green just right underneath here, just right there, which is the glitter pigment by Makeup Addiction, obviously. Okay, I'm gonna take my brown lip pencil. I think it's a Primark one that I just found. So I'm not sure if it's favorite one because I don't think I have any of that left. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use this Primark lip liner. No, not lip liner, eyeliner, I believe. Eyeliner or eyebrow pencil. It's one of those two. Brown in medium. And I just line my lips. I'm doing like a glossy. It's a glossy nude lip. Not even nude, just like brown lip liner and gloss because I feel like the eyes are quite dramatic and intense. Oh my god, guys, I love this. Like, love it. I'm going to take this other pencil as well, which is the MUA eyeliner in rich brown, just to put around it, just the edges, like just right there, these sides, you know, makes the lip all nice and cute. I love it. Okay, I'm going to use my Hanka Henry liquid lipstick in Presidential. It's just a clear gloss, but it has like gold glitter to it and hints and hues and whatever you want to call them. But you know, with the This is gonna be beautiful. Oh wait, let me put it on my hands once again, because I don't like making my thingies dirty. I'm also gonna add a little bit of this gold lip gloss by NYX, not NYX, by NYX, right in the center. This one is a bit more chunkier than the presidential one, so right there. Yep. Okay, and we finished. I'm gonna put my hair down and then I'll come do my outro, you know, be like, why, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. You know, just the casual stuff. Okay, I'm back in a few. Okay guys, so this is it for the finished look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video.